Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make stunning WordPress website by using the AI, the power of AI. So for this, we're going to use the ZIPWP AI tool, and we're going to make the awesome WordPress websites for free by using the AI in just 60 seconds and less than that too, depending on your internet speed. So let's get started, and I will show you how you can make some awesome WordPress website by using the power of AI. Okay, so you can see that we have here the fresh WordPress installation, and after that you have to just go to the themes option, and we're gonna use a theme for that. So the theme is compatible, so the theme is powered by the ZipWP means. Okay, so after that we have to just click the extra theme here, so we have to just install the extra theme. So let's install this theme first, and we're gonna activate this theme, and after that we have to just wait for it. Okay, so here you can see that we have the option for the let's get started with starter templates. So you have to just click on this, and we're gonna make our website by using the power of AI. And okay, so let's wait for it, and you can go to this website the ZipWP, and you can see the pricing and all. Okay, so right now it is free, I think. So let's choose this first option, AI website builder, explain the future of website building. We offer AI feature powered by ZipWP to help you build website in 10x faster. Okay, so let's click on this, and after that we have to just wait for it to open. And after that let's get started for free. If you want to go through this, you can go through this. I don't want to make the video long, so you have to just make an account in the ZipWP first. So if you are new, it will ask for making an account. Okay, so let's name our account. Okay, so let's name here architect, or we're gonna name the portfolio website, something like this. And here we're gonna choose the agency. So let's name it here digital agency, and after that let's click on the continue. So here you have to just describe about your website. So suppose I'm going to write make a make a website for a digital agency uh, with about us testimonial, contact, projects, pricing sections, and all. So you can mention here whatever you want to add in here. So you can also go through this if you want to improvise your text. I don't want to improvise, so you can go here and add some more things. Okay, so after that you have to just provide an email ID. So I'm going to choose this, and you can add any phone number here and just enter your address or something. So I'm going to enter here any random address. So let's wait for it to, and here it will say to select some images. So you can select these images, means which image you want in your website. So this is really cool, and so let's choose some cool images, like I'm going to choose this image, choose this, and we're going to make choose this. Okay, so you can choose, there are so many images here. So let's choose this also, and we're going to click on continue, and after that it will do some loading, and it will start previewing or making three layouts for you. So it will make this website like this. So this is option 1, this is option 2, and this is the option 3. So it is very much fast. You can see that it provided us three layouts here, and all three layouts are very good. So you can just hover on this, and the whole page will load like this. So you can choose whatever layout you are liking. So suppose I think this is good, and let's check out this, and this is also good. So I'm going to choose the second layout, option 2, and we have to just click on this, and after that you can see here you can upload your site logo, and so, and also you can change the other font size and also this is really customizable. So I'm going to choose this font, and here you can change all the colors like this. So if you want to have any, and you can also choose the black and white mode from here. So I'm going to choose this. This is looking good. So let's continue, and here you can see that it has so many features also. So if you want to add the donation to your website, you can just click on this. If you want to add this automation and integration, you can check out this, and sales and funnel, video player, free live chats. Okay, so you have to just click on this. So let's click on this free live chat from now and start building. Okay, so it will take some time. So let's wait how many time it is taking. And so it is making your website in the backend, and by using the ZipWP. So I think ZipWP is powered by Astra, or Astra is powering the ZipWP like something. So let's wait for it, and I will get back to the video once it's done. Okay, so you can see that our website is done. It is saying, woohoo, your website is ready. So let's see your website. So let's click on this, and it will open this in the new tab. So let's wait and see. Okay, so you can see that in very much less time we have our digital agency website. So this is a very powerful ZIPWP. So right now it is free. This AI tool is free, and also this is powered by the Astra, which is a very famous WordPress theme in the market, I think. And also you can see that it is yeah, it has made so many change like this here. It is also added the FAQ section. Okay, so I think this is really great. And if you want to change something, you can go to the edit page also, I think. Okay, so after that, if you want to go to the visit dashboard, you can go from here, and you can go here edit page option. You can change the layout and all. Okay, so let's get back to about us page. So let's see what this made for us. So let's click on this about. So you can see that it has made the about pages, features pages also in very less time, and these designs are really looking great. And let's get back to the feature section. And it has also added the blog section, which all means blog section is also added here. If you click on the blog, it has the blog page, and the single blog page is also there. So let's click on this. So you can see that the single blog page is also made by this AI. So how powerful is this AI? And if you go to the pricing section, it has so many pages, I think. Okay, so you can see that how quickly you can make the WordPress website by using the power of AI and the Astra theme. So I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please like, subscribe, and share our videos with your friends. And I'm gonna see you next time.